Hello, highlighters! It's Neo here and welcome back to another highlight. Of course, you know the drill, hindi tayo nagpapuli sa chismis. Kaya, habak ko agad ng new Jollibee Kids Meal. And check natin kung ano ang laman. Uy! Actually, na-unbox ko na siya agad yung unang toy. Na sobrang excited. Ah, may egg. Nako. And next one. Uy! Ganda! Here's Jollibee figure. Ang laki niya. Diba? So nice. 'Di ba? Figure pa lang panalo na. May gig pa. And last, may puzzle. Hala. Naku. But wait, there's more. Merong QR code yung puzzle niya. Ah, 'di ba? It's fun. And that's the Jolly Puzzle Adventure. So done revealing the contents of the Jollibee Kids Meal box. And tara, let's do the unboxing. So let's start. Of course, here's the Jolly Puzzle Adventures at syempre nauna ko na i-unbox. Kaya yan, nakalabas na siya sa plastic. Pakita ko muna yung closer look ng plastic. So here's Jollibee's Dino Discovery. Kaya naka-safari costume siya. Diba si Jollibee? Wait, pakita muna natin. So, there are a total of 5 toys to collect. And here's the mechanics. Yan. Or I mean the instruction. So assemble the puzzle, enjoy the toy. Yan. And scan a QR code to unlock an adventure with Jollibee. So, may virtual game din. Na-excite. Yan, okay. So, nabuo na natin yung puzzle ni Jollibee. So, full of dinosaurs, right? Diba? Yan, yan. Clear na. Full of dinosaurs. And here's a closer look of Jollibee. Wait. Yun. Ang ganda oh. Diba? Solid figure. Mabigat siya. Highlighters. Diba? And here's the egg of Jollibee. Cool. And last part ng puzzle. Diba? Uy! Yan na. So, parang background lang actually yung puzzle niya. Pero, pwede mo nyo rin ipatong dito or anything. Yan. Pero the great thing here, may QR code, i-scan natin right now. Yan, pakita ko. Wait lang ah. Yan. Okay. Okay. Yan. So, allow camera access. Allow. Yan. So, here's the Jolly Puzzle Adventures. So, nakalagay dito, scan for an AR experience. So, scan now. Diba? Ang ganda ng mga toys. Then, scan the puzzle, start the fun. Yun. So, scan natin yung puzzle. Then, inayos ko yung camera angle para makita nyo. So, ito yung makikita nyo kapag in-scan nyo yung QR code, di ba? Ayun si Jollibee yung. So, yung puzzle niya nabuhay. Di ba? Gumagalaw yung mga dinosaurs. Di ba? Ayun si Jollibee yun. Check natin. Hala, si Jollibee! Di ba? So, pwede nyo i-click yung question mark. Then, may lalabasin. Like this one. Did you know Velociraptor live in what is now Mongolia and fed on small animals including baby dinosaurs. So, natatanggal siya kapag nawawala sa pwesto yung in-scan nyo. Ayan. Yan. Triceratops were large dinosaurs that used its beak and teeth to chew strong plants. Diba? Herbivores sila. Saan pa may question mark? Yun, meron si Pteranodon to, diba? Or, Pterosaurus were flying reptiles that appeared long before birds, with some species being as wide as small airplanes. Sino pa? Ito. Velociraptor live in what is now Mongolia and fed on small animals including baby dinosaurs. Nabasa pa rin natin. Tanggal na naman. And here's T-Rex. T-Rex was one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs with strong back legs, sharp teeth, and strong senses that help it find prey. Diba? Wala na. Meron pa ba? So, yan. Ang cool, no? So, mas maganda yung view dito. Nakaganito. But, syempre, yan. Pakita natin. Ayan. Isa natin yung camera pa. Camera angle. Diba? Sorry, naka-live po tayo ngayon. Kaya, medyo ginagalaw natin yung camera. Diba? Ang ganda. Ayan. Ito pala, mas okay na angle. Nakita niyo na yung whole picture nung virtual reality ni Jollibee. And besides that, yung mga question mark, natatanggal talaga siya pag di naka-top view. Pag di naka-side siyang ganun. So, dapat talaga para naka-ano siya. Yan, naka-ganun siya. Pero gusto ko lang makita kasi yung front ni Jollibee na ganun. But, did you know, pwede nyo rin galawin si Jollibee o di ba gumagalaw? Ito yung arrow niya. Oh, pulled right. Diba? Pwede mag-explore si Jollibee sa kanyang island. Diba? Cute! So, that's it for Jollibee Dino's Discovery. So, let's proceed with the next one. And next up, here's Yum's Space Exploration. Of course, may figure rin si Yum. Wait, i-unveil na natin. Open lang natin. Wait, siguro sa ano na lang. Sige na nga, here na nga. Nausi ako sa plastic. Uy, nakita niyo na tuloy si Yum. Wait lang nga, open lang natin. Diba what's nice about these toys? Hindi lang imagination yung papairalin nyo this time. Since you could play the toy virtually, di ba? You could interact with Yum talaga. With the friends of Jollibee. Yan, di ba? Here's a closer look ni Yum na astronaut. Actually, scientist kasi si Yum, di ba? So, yun pagkakakilala natin sa kanya. Sana ibalik yung Jollytown na tuloy na series sa GMA. And here's Yum rocket ship. As far as I know, may sticker to. Pero let's check kung meron nga. Or wala. Ay, wala. Wala nakalagay na sticker, di ba? Imagination ko lang. And of course, besides the figures, of course, here's the puzzle. And i-assemble natin siya right now. May stopwatch kasi maglalaro tayo. So, sa tingin nyo, sino yung pinakamabilis natin ma-assemble? Si Yum ba? Si Hetty? Si Popo? Or si Twirly? Madali, pula na kayo. Pero, let's start na with Yum. O, dapat meron na kayong nasa isip nyo kung sino sa apat. Okay? Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Ano kaya natin siya katagal mabubuo? Okay, so we're done. 2 minutes, 60 seconds. Wait. Screen capture ko para ma-memorize natin. Or wait, alam kong pwedeng i-edit to. Or, hindi, that's the lap 1. Sige. So, that's for Yum. Okay, so here's the picture. Pag nakompleto niyo yung puzzle ni Yum. So, tara, for this time, lagyan natin si Yum dito. Oops, here na nga lang. And let's play the virtual reality. Yan. So, again, ang i-scan nyo, yung pinaka-puzzle. Okay? Yan. Please bear with me. Akong... Yan. Uy, nice. Hello. Nice. Wait. Ayusin ulit natin yung camera, ha? Yan. I think this is okay na. Uy, ayun si Yum, oh. Cute. Kita nyo si Yum. Ayun, ay. So, pagalawin natin si Yum. Ay, ano siya? Lumilipad. Cute ni Yum. Nagpa-float si Yum. Diba? It's so nice. Well, let's first, click this question mark. Did you know Saturn is the only planet in the solar system that is less dense than water? Meaning, it would float if it were dropped into a giant ocean. Cool. Diba? Nice. O, sa Earth naman. Oops. Yan. Pag medyo talaga magalaw-gaw, nawawala siya sa connection. Wait. Yan. So, let's click Earth. Yeah. Did you know Earth is special because it's the only planet we know that has air, water, and land to support all kinds of life. Yeah, kaya tayo nabuhay. So, yung rocket naman. Did you know a rocket can use more fuel in just 1 minute than a car used in many years? Ooh. Diba? Nice trivia, no? Ano ba? Meron. Itong sun. Did you know the sun is the nearest star to Earth? It provides the light and heat that makes life on our planet possible. Oh, ano pa? Oh, si Jollibee nakita natin. So, that's it ata for Yum. Ayun nga. So, that's it for Yum. Wait, ipa-float lang ulit natin si Yum. Natuwa ako kay Yum. Oh, cute. Ay, may drip up, drip down. Ano yun? Check natin, ah. What's drip down and drip up? Oh, yun. And drip up. I think ito yun. Kaya gumagalaw si Yum. Ayun. Okay. Lumilipad si Yam. Yun si Yam. Galaw natin para lumapit siya dito. So, drip down ulit para bumaba. Ayun, si Yam. Ang cool. Happy naman akong laruin to. Diba? Kaya for sure, mga kids at heart dyan, ma-happy din. Yan si Yam. Cute. Oh. Anyway, that's it for Yum. Okay, let's proceed with the other toy and girl naman. So, it's twirly time. It's twirly, of course, same. Si Pearl, may twirly figure, and ito naman, twirly's Deep Sea Quest. Okay? Yan. Medyo magalo lang talaga yung camera natin right now, ha? So, please bear with me. Kasi, phone camera lang gamit ko dito. So, let's hope pagka, mga ilang years, ilang months from now, mas improve natin yung mga camera angles and backgrounds, diba? But here you go. Here's Twirly having a scuba dive or scuba diving, diba? Uy, may may dumi. But anyway, yan. Ang ganda ng figure. Actually, kahit ito nga lang yung toy ng Jollibee, no? Tapos gumagalaw yung kamay. Ang ganda ni. Ba't dinagdagan pa na lang ng puzzle, o, diba? San ka pa? Tapos may pearl pa. O, diba? Ang ganda. Diba? So nice. Right? Ganda. Kaya naku, alam niyo na kung sino unahin niyo agad after watching this one. Ayun lang. Ay tumayo ni Twirly. Mas gusto niya nakahiga. But anyway, here's the puzzle of Twirly. So, lang natin siya ayusin. And let's start and check kung ilang minutes natin siya mabubuo. O wala magbabago kung sino nasa isip niyo, ha. Timer starts now. Ay, oops. 2:05 siya. O, sabi ko na eh. So, re-reset natin siya. And, buti na lang na screenshot natin. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. Anyway, that's it. Oh, it's 4:16 highlighters. Sorry. Medyo nahihirapan ako kay Twirly right now. Ewan ko, nalito ako. Kasi alam ko yung sand sa baba, yung color blue sa taas, pero medyo plain kasi yung design niya. Or ang dami nangyayari. Ang dami nangyayari and color blue lang sa part na to, kaya ang hirap i-connect. But, Yum versus Twirly, Yum wins. Yan, sorry po sa nag-vote kay Twirly. But anyway, let's start the fun by scanning the QR code. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. Siguro nag-float rin si Twirly. Hala, may dive and swim pa. Cool. Ayan. Mas mas maganda. No, mas maganda yung bird. Ay, natanggal na naman. Ayun, gusto nyo, nagtitik masyado si Leo. Yan. So, dive and swim. Ooh, cool. Hala. Kung ito lang, gumagalaw naman talaga siya. Nagsiswim talaga si Twirly. But pag ito, nagda-dive. Ooh, sumisisi si Twirly. Isa pa. Ooh, cool. Pero kung i-compare lang natin dito, no? Walang color lang yung hair niya. Ba't ang cute pa rin naman? Yan. Diba? Naka-goggles pero hindi nakasuot. Cute. But wait, let's check na. Hanapin natin yung mga question marks. So first, did you know fish live in water, have backbones, and rely on their senses like hearing, smell, and feeling movement in the water to survive? Ooh. Next, si crab. Did you know the Japanese spider crab is the biggest crustacean species on Earth with a wide leg span of 12 to 13 feet? Wait, I'll just lower the volume muna. Baka hindi nyo marinig yung sinasabi ko. Yan, ito. Same ba to? Okay, yan na yan. Then here's starfish. Sea stars are often called starfish but are not actually considered fish as they have no backbone. Ooh. Ba? Did you know some seaweeds like kelp grow quickly, absorb carbon dioxide, and form massive underwater forests in cool, shallow oceans? Uy. So yan, we have read all the trivias, and yan, sakto natanggal na yung natin. Yung virtual reality or virtual activation. Yan, pag sumingin lang natin si Twirly. Dive ulit. Uy! Ito pa. Uy! Cool! Anyway, that's it for Twirly's Deep Sea Quest. So, let's open Popo. So, by the way, Popo is Popo Speed Race. Okay. So, it comes with Popo figurine, of course. Race car. Uy. Cool. So, ay, nice. Gumagalaw siya. Yung wheels, di ba? Cool. Ala, sana may gimmick pala lahat, no? Pero ito lang may gimmick. Ang cool. Cool. Di ba? So nice. Then here's Popo. Di ba? Solid figure talaga, ang ganda. Ang laki. Later, mamili tayo ng best sa interactive, sa virtual game, best figure, and best na ganito. Yung niya, yung kasama na sa figurine, okay? So, here's the, tawag dito? Here's the puzzle. Oh, and there's a stickers. Okay. So, yan. Dikit ba natin? Check natin. Wait. Ay, walang wala siyang tawag dito. Walang instructions. Dinikit ko na yung stickers at may instruction pala nandito sa packaging. Yan, diba? Nakalagay number 1, number 2, number 3, and then the like. Anyway, nagawa naman natin ng tama. And here's the closer look of the toy with the stickers. Diba? Mas nabuhay siya. Okay, so time to beat is 2 minutes 5 seconds, diba? From Yum. Okay, so for this one, let's check kung sino manalo, kung si Yum or si Popo. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Here's time. Ito yung time ni Popo. And ito yung time ni Pearly. So, first pa rin and leading si Yum. Followed by Pearly, then last si Popo. Diba? Pero cool. Ang ganda. Nakakalito rin siya actually. Anyway, so let's start playing again the QR code. Oh. Ay, wait. Cool. Para siyang highway, no? Nakahiga si yan. Nalalaglag kasi, anyway, ihiga na lang natin. Anyway, let's click this blue car. Some race cars use special brakes that turn stopping power into electricity to recharge their batteries. Alam, cool. The orange one. Race cars are very light and powerful that they can go from 0 to 100 kilometers in just a few seconds. Hala, galing, no? Mga F1 racing car kasi yan eh. Most race cars are built with very light materials. So the whole car with the driver can weigh less than a normal car. Galing, no? So tatlo lang siya. Tama. Yan. Okay. So let's check. Drive. Hala, nice. Hala, cool. Pag-walk. Okay. Pwede rin siya mag-walk. Diba? Pero ang bagal. Si Popo. Diba? Nabubuhay talaga yung yung puzzle niya. But pag drive, ang ganda. Hindi ba? Sinagasaan. Nakaka-happy naman to. Hindi ba? Sinagasaan. Anyway, that's it for Popo's Speed Race. Ang cool, no? Ang ganda ng interactive game niya. O, diba? Anyway, that's it. Talaga. Anyway, here's the last one. Here's Hetty's butterfly case. So, let's check. By the way, di ba, si Twirly kasi is a cheer dancer. Yan. So, mahilig sa mga passion. So, main swimmer siya. Si Jollibee actually sa chef yan ng safari adventure talaga. Si Yum, well, a scientist. Then, si Popo is a sportive type guy. And si Twirly is a cheer dancer. And now, para siyang gardener naman. Diba? Wait. So, let's check muna. Uy, may mga stickers din. So, place the stickers on the toy. Okay, so let's first stick this or place the stickers muna before we proceed. Okay? Yan, okay. So, we're done placing the stickers. So, di ba, mas nabuhay siya ngayon. Diba? Para siya may mga display ng mga pot of flowers, di ba, sa side. And here's Hetty. Ang bigat ni Hetty. Ang ganda. And may hawak siyang net. Wait, lagay na natin si net. Ang ganda. Yan, kunyari, manghuhuli siya ng butterfly. Kaya siya, tinawag ng Hetty's Butterfly Chase. Ala, ang ganda ni Hetty. Anyway, let's check na the puzzle. And of course, tatimeran ulit natin. Yan. So, it's between Yum versus Hetty na. Check natin kung mabit natin. So, let's start. Oops, okay, we're done. But unfortunately, still talo po si Hetty. And the winner for the pinakamabilis na ma-assemble na puzzle is Yum. So, congrats po sa mga naka-boto kay Yum. But anyway, pangilan nga si Hetty, second place. Third place, si Twirly, fourth place si Popo, diba? Hindi kasama si Jollibee since in-assemble na natin siya prior, diba? Anyway, so let's check na. Diba? Lagyan natin siya dito. Diba? Mukha siya nanguhuli ng butterfly. Ang ganda. So, QR code scan. Hala, ang plain lang. But it's cool. Yan, naglalakad lang si Twirly. Wala yung, like si Jollibee, diba? Same lang sa kanya. Medyo plain lang yung virtual game niya. Pero check natin yung mga nakasulat. Some flowers respond to the buzzing of bees by making their nectar sweeter, helping attract more pollinators. Diba? Sabi. Did you know butterfly colors and patterns help them hide, warn enemies, or scare predators to keep themselves safe? Did you know sunflowers grow deep roots that help them find water and stay strong even in dry seasons? Did you know mother butterflies can taste with their feet to check if a plant is safe for their babies to eat? Hala, cute. So yan, for this one, sana ginagawa niya yung kamay ni Hetty na, pero hindi, naglalakad lang talaga si Hetty. Oh, diba? Cool. Anyway, that's it. That's Hetty's Butterfly Chase. So just a recap highlighters, here's Twirly's Deep Sea Quest. Next is, here's Popo's Speed Race. Here's Hetty's Butterfly Chase. Here's Jollibee's Dino Discovery. And last but not the least, here's Yum's Space Exploration. And of course, I'm going to ask you which one is your favorite among all 5. First, sa mga ganito muna. Sino? Dali, kanino? Highlighters. For me, it's Popo's race car. Diba? Kasi, gumagalaw siya. The next one, for the puzzle, so hindi ko na iangat, for me, pinaka-okay na puzzle, na design is Twirly. Yan. And for the figure, maganda kasi lahat ng figure niya. No? Ang ganda ng Jollibee, ang ganda ng Twirly. Diba? Here's Yum. Here's Twirly. Diba? And Popo. Yan. Medyo mahirap mamili dito. But since, sige, bias tayo kay Jollibee, si Jollibee na lang. Pero ang pinakamaganda rin kasi dito, ang ganda nung merong hawak-hawak si Hetty. Diba? Pero they're all cool na figure. Diba? Actually, kahit nga ito lang yung laruan nila, maganda na. Dinagdagan pa ng puzzle and virtual game. And for the virtual game, I choose Yum's virtual game. Ewan ko, ang ganda nun. Diba? Yung nag-float-float siya, tumataas, bumababa. Ayan. Okay. O, diba? Ang ganda ng new toys ng Jollibee this time. And alam niya lang, kung sinong ulat, uunahin nyo agad highlighters. Diba? So anyway, that's all for now, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!